Sorry about that, peeps. I know a few of you are here. Okay, now let's get over here. Okay, now we look better. Of course, I don't think anyone's here, but that's okay. Give me time. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody on TikTok. Be right with you all. We have a buy stop to the 2-minute blue line, but I have to make sure on that, so let me double check that in just a second. All right, now I think the screen's up. Yep, but I think they can hear me, but we're still not done. Good morning, everybody. Grand rising to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live, blah, blah, blah. Oh, I know, I'll do it. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yep, that one's correct. Let's go down here. There we go. Let's go over to here. Correct. Today we're coming to you live outside of Atlanta. And it's December 16th. Can you believe it? 9 days until Christmas. That is a different life. Time is flying by. Let's see, anybody here? Okay. TikToker, since I didn't screw you guys over, let's see how many people. TikTok, let me see 1 second. I've got so much to do, guys. Boy. What fun. Going to be interviewing several different people for the coding. Good morning, Super Z. Good morning. Whoa. Good morning. Boy, people on TikTok took a ride. Let me see. What am I looking for? All right, let's get over to TikTok. Let's get over to looking for the safety trade. Top one is not even us. That's weird. There we go. Okay. TikTokers, Lazarus, Geo, Marley Mars, Super Z, Aussie Trader. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yay. $10:30 a.m. Yeah, I gotta get off by then, but I'll be done by then. I'll be done by probably even 10 this morning. So I'll trade through open with you guys. Let's see. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Samuel. Good morning, Smits. Thank you for saying hello, Smits. Good morning, Fletch. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook Live. I don't know. Let's take a look at a few things first. And I still don't think. I think the other one just went out now. Isn't that funny? Wow, that's terrible. All right, now we're in. They see that. I see that. All right, I think we're actually set up. Yay, what do you know for everything? Good morning, Slender. Good morning, Joseph. Good morning, Filio. What's up, peeps? Ooh, that ain't gonna work. I'm gonna have to keep that down there. All right, so again, we see a 5-second trend started here. I don't know what that's about. So 1 second, 5 seconds flipped red. We don't know about the 10-second yet. So let's see if there's a sell stop going on the super fast time frame. Definitely there. Let me see if it's going to the 10-second. Yep, 10-second sell to the blue line, all indices, but hold my horses. Yep, now we'll come back to here, and now you're going to see the 10, see them all flipping? Turning red, red. This one will turn red next. This is US 30. I don't know where it's at in its trade, though, so let's go over to US 30. Yeah, it's going to go there next. Here we go. This one will turn to red next. Oh, and they all flip to green. Let's go back again. Yeah, ricochet, 1 second, 5 second sell stop to the 10-second blue line, all indices. I don't do sells. Remember, all of my trades are 100% positive. They're going up. Unless, like last night, I think it was, I gave you guys a little freebie on the sells, but that's what's going to do. So sell, these will turn red. Trying to figure out this scenario in here. Did they bring, how high? Let me see the 1 second. Hold on. Did anyone pay attention overnight reversal? Did they bring it up so that the 2-minute and 3-minute all turn green? Did anyone pay attention to that? Probably not. Ooh, hold on. Let me go back over here. Yep, it's going to do it right now. Hold on. See how those turning red again? It was a ricochet. Came up, bounced, turn red. These will turn red. These will turn red. Now, we got to go back. Okay, 1 second. Let's go back to here. And let's go to... Yeah, I'm going to need different cameras, aren't I? I might have different cameras. Huh. Okay, where were we? 10-second sell to the blue line, all indices. It's a ricochet. I believe it just hit it, but let's look again. Yo. Oh, yeah, we're way past it. All right, let's go to the 15-second blue line and see. Oh, we're way past. Yay, look at that. 30-second blue line. Yes. Sell to the 30-second blue line, all indices. But did this rise up or did it not go up to the 2 or 3 minute? I got to know where it went to. Went past the 1 minute. Buy stop. NAS and US 30. NAS, US 30, SPX 500. After these 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, probably even 1 minute sells hit, we're going to be looking for a 2-minute buy stop specific. Matter of fact, let me mark this so that we can, these are the two that are the big ones right there. Yeah, I'm going to call this a free money giveaway. Take any buy stop you can find under 2 minutes till the NAS 100 hits its 2-minute blue line. Now, initially, you're going to see this push down, but I don't know how high this went. It hit the 2-minute. I wish John or somebody was on. Yep, hit the 2-minute NAS. Yeah, NAS US 30. Yeah, buy stop, buy stop. Yes, 2-minute, 3-minute buy stop. NAS take profit 1, 25,098.86. SPX take profit $6,817.28. Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Perfect calls as usual from yesterday night. Thank you. You're welcome. Glad it worked out. Good morning, AG. Good morning. Good morning, Mike Glowinski on TikTok and Adam Knapp on TikTok. And I don't know. Looks like there's almost a dozen of you on TikTok. You go, peeps. Oh, my bad. There's 26 of you on TikTok now. Well, there you go. Why can't I see? Oh, that is my YouTube and thing. My bad. Morning, YouTubers. Where's TikTok at? Oh, 9, 10. So 10, 9. Depends. This looks like it's fluctuating. All right. Now, I moved away. I was able to get that taken care of. That's cool. All right. Now, how low is it going to go? 30-second. Yeah, it's going to the 30. Sell, stop all indices to the 30-second blue line. Then look for a 2-minute, 3-minute buy stop on all the indices that we normally trade. And then I don't know where we're at. That's all we need. Hey, Kevin, I'm driving blind. No core system, no sniper on my chart. Just a sniper rifle and the key spot, all that I have. What's up, Dark Lights? Yeah, try not to bring up personal stuff like that. We don't talk about that stuff on the lives. This is for everybody. So unless everybody had that issue. Good morning, Lopez. So yeah, just send over a nicely worded email, and then yeah, make sure you're not up for renewal. If your core system and bullshit detector are gone, double check yourself, Dark Light, and make sure that there isn't a your renewal. Yeah, there you go. Slender saying it's your renewal is due. Yeah. That would make common sense if things aren't showing. But double check it, make sure it's not your renewal, and if it's not your renewal, send over nicely worded email. If it is your renewal, just renew on the website and you're fine. Ricochet, let me see, 15-second. Yeah, Ricochet, things are going to arch up. Pink and purple are going to come up. This is here. This is going to hook, come back down and touch that blue line, that blue line, that blue line, and that blue line. It's going to come by. There it is already. And there it goes down. There's your 15-minute Ricochet sell. Perfect. All 6 of them are perfect. Yay. All right. Now, I'm guessing you guys can all hear me okay. I hope you guys can hear me okay anyways. Okay. Yeah, generally speaking, guys, use common sense. If you don't see your core system in the bullshit detector, that means your renewal is either happening or is going to be happening soon, most likely. Now, I don't know, each individual case is just different, but if you don't see something that's expired, whatever. Okay. What's up, Dan? Welcome to the channel. Just K Carter, welcome to the channel. All right. Happy rising to Rye Edwards. What's up? We just called out the cell that you're in and a ricochet on it and another ricochet on it, a 15-second. They're heading down to the 30-second. Then somewhere, I don't know when it's going to flip, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. I'd have to check that a little further, but it's definitely heading that 30-second. I'm calling for a 2 minute at this time. If it keeps falling, we'll make it a 3-4 minute. But a 3-minute buy stop. Let me see if I can go up to 4 minute now. No, but it's close. 4-minute buy stop to the blue line. Love it for NAS. Love it for SPX. Love, love, love. It's kind of weird how this is playing out this morning. Let me see. Yeah, see? And then NAS is the only 1 minute below. It's so weird. But yeah, play the sell stops to the 1 minute blue line. And then if you want, demo trade only. Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Good morning, Taraya Edwards. Good morning again. What assistance is it? You're welcome, AG. See, that's what people don't understand. Well, why are you? Oh, good evening from Thailand. What's up, Kirk? How is Thailand? How many hours did it take you to get there, by the way? Me and Bree have looked into it. We just can't get ourselves to do it. Good morning, user. Who is this? RU9HE. Good morning. Nice to hear your voice. This is nice to hear my voice. Thank you. Most people think I'm a little rough sounding. All right, it's doing another sell stop to the 15-second blue line for US 30. I wonder if I can put up another one, jump in again and share the screen. Yeah, I could do that. I would need another computer, but we have tons of those laying around. I wonder who's in the Wonder Ball. All right, I think we're good on all those. Let me see. All right, I wish I can get the music to play, but I think the only way I can get the music to play is by doing this and going here and going where your videos. Sure, why not? Let's see if those have videos. Okay.
Wish Vito to the time. Take a hold of me.
Hold on.
You see me shouting today, but it
wasn't always like that.
Take my hand and walk with me. Let me take you on a journey, living in the land of dreams.
Can you guys hear that loud enough? I don't like it. I need to get the damn computer working. Is that loud enough on YouTube specifically and TikTok?
But the one never leave was my reason why. She stayed when they all walked away. She was the light in the dark. My reason it was free life. It was free my hope. It was free. So now you can say what it means to me. She set me free. Now the world will witness me.
Oh no, sir. It sounds like he's not on auto.
What you mean to me? No matter what I won't need. Who be love Christians with all his heart. They're born and strong like a work of art. Together they shine like stars. And love will never die.
Yeah, I don't know. YouTube's been doing that for everybody. I don't know how to change that either. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, or whatever version of that. Let me see.
Here instead of here on that trade. It would have came in after this, after that upward movement.
After. Yeah, let's try this one. I got so much to do.
Yo, I trade anyone, toe to toe, let's go. Come on the line, choose
Good morning, John. Hey, John, can you hear the song okay? Sell to the 30-second blue line, US 30, NQ1. Sell to NQ1, 1 minute blue line.
I got my sniper locked and loaded. Night one, what's your emergency?
What's up, Aussie Trader? Good to see you.
Bleeding out everywhere you ask, got margin called. I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about? News, you make me laugh. We got it covered. Red fold, yellow folder, don't matter. Let's go, it's over. Fake traders, it's game over. It's over, it's over. You can never take from me what I knew today. I was forged in the dark and fake. Traders better run from the bark in a car. We gon' take it, trend lines, and it's shoulder patterns. Keep up and nasty, you make me laugh. You get my butt the whole way. Don't work, come to the winning side, baby. Safety trade system.
All muffled now. I have more computers sitting around here. I just gotta, I'm not lazy. I just got so many of those fucking things to do. I can't really set up the office the way it needs to be set up, but oh well. You guys would die how simple this operation is. Just die. You can change your name if you go in and customize your channel on YouTube. Give a quick Google. That's what I did, Adam Knapp. Oh, thanks, Adam. Oh, that's Adam AG. Oh, I did not. I should have figured that out. AG Nap. Oh, okay, gotcha. 8 Ball. Good morning, 8 Ball. Thank you, Adam. Yeah, I'm good on mine. I had to change it on both, but the one was already done, so I was good on that. I have a lot of YouTube channels. I have a lot more TikTok channels, though. Sound quality is not the best. Love it. Good morning, 8 Ball. All right, now, I don't know where we're at with the rest of these things. Let me actually check something. I am extremely excited. We have KJ and Tad, the sons of the great Keith Palmer. They are working on the scanner room and then the multi version of the upcoming Breebot. And then I'm interviewing for the single version of the Breebot. I'm interviewing other peeps. Good morning. Da, 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 da. 42 bad. Nice on YouTube. I'm going to do my absolute best to be on every morning by, well, 8:30, but that's probably not going to be the case. It'll probably be a little bit right after 8:30. So I would say 8:45. I'll be on every morning by 8:45. I hope that's good enough for everybody. I swear. I used to not sleep, but I've done something now that is totally flipped that. I sleep and sleep and sleep. I've never slept this much in my entire life. It's amazing. I realized after getting sleep now for the last 2-3 weeks that for the last 25 years, maybe 30 years, I hadn't really slept. Like every hour or two I'd stir, every hour or two I'd hear things, every hour or two I'd be moving around. Now I can go to sleep and 8 hours later wake up in the exact same position. It's amazing. Aussie Trader, good to be seen. Yay, Aussie Trader. Well, I'm glad you're here, buddy. Yep. All right. Let's look at gold in Demnar Hill. Seems like somebody called out gold perfectly. But let's make sure it was not someone else other than just me. All right, here we go. Inside of this, let me make a different one. I'm going to leave this one here. Inside of this orange magic rectangle, you can clearly see that we're going to be looking at gold. That is a symbol for gold. 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, you can clearly see the upward movement. The trend is there, but it's all the way there. There is no pullback at this time. Nothing for my system to call out for you guys, but let's see if I can overthink the system because I created it. No. Weekly, daily, weekly. See how it didn't even make it all the way down this time, how it's hooking and coming up. It's going to break that previous all-time high as I called out. Sevens, if there's anybody here that remembers me making these calls. What should you do to sleep, says John Parker. What's the sleep secret? Oh, look, everybody wants to know. Look at Dark Lake wants to know. John wants to know. I don't know what's allowed to be talked about or not, but I can tell you, that, hold on. I slept between waiting for setups. That's when he sleeps. That's funny. That's about accurate too. When I was starting out, that's about exactly what you have to do. All right. I know when it happened, when I had to start creating websites for the gym and doing all the things for the 3 gyms I used to own, that's when I quit sleeping. So I haven't slept in about, I don't know, 20 to 25 years. I tossed and turned No dreams that I remembered. Got up after 2 to 3 hours. And for the last, I don't know how many weeks been, I think 3, maybe longer actually. Maybe say 4 to 5 weeks, something like that. I sleep. I mean, if I didn't get up right now, I'd still be asleep. 9 to 11 hours deep a day. Oh my God, I tried magnesium on my feet. I tried, of course, melatonin. Tried everything. No, sounds, books, binaural beats, if you know what that is. Everything. Tried it. I mean, you name it, I tried it. Cardio, no cardio before bed. Cardio before bed. Room, I keep the room ice cold anyways. You keep it really cold, etc. The only thing, this is the most ironic thing ever, but the only thing to ever work is, I don't know. My wife's had trouble sleeping. Being in the land of passion will do it all the time, says 8-Ball. I sleep like a rock, but my wife don't always trying to find a way. Okay, I don't know if I'm even allowed to say this. Let's see. I'll write it out. So that way we can't get in any. How do I write this out? Hold on 1 second. All right. Let me, because I just wanted to make sure on everything. When my friend takes the gummies come in a triangle, I don't have any clue of how or why it works, but my friend is absolutely 100% cured of his insomnia and you don't even have to take it every night. But if you look at that, that's my friend, not me, remember. This has nothing to do with me. So yeah, that's what it is. Currently we're in Georgia, Alabama, but other places it's legal for my friend, like in Vegas and all that good stuff. Let me grab this like this. Let me take that off of there and put that right there. And there you go. And there it is, 8-Ball, yep. Good morning, the trading ninja. Let me see. Let's go back because someone's saying something's going on over here. Hold on one second. Let's go to 15 seconds real quick. Yeah, I would stick with that. Look, keep looking for the sells at this moment, and then we'll make a different change as we go forward here. Now that is true. April, we can get it where you're up. You're welcome, John. I mean, to tell you that is kind of funny because I'm 100% against it for other uses, quote unquote. But it is still natural compared to what they do with the alcohol and all the other different drugs. It kind of cracks me up what they villainize. It's just that alcohol had better marketing people than marijuana, and that's the only reason why it's there. 10:30 a.m. Yep, I gotta go. Sam K, that's you. We see ya. Name change worked. Name change, yes, Sam K, New Jersey. Yay. I swear we have a Sam K out of England. I don't know where he's been. He'll be back, though. He always is. All right. How's the sound on YouTube on a scale from 1 to 10? Thank you, Sam K. How's the sound on YouTube? Now let's get back to what we were doing. Over to here. Sam K says 10. Okay. Nice. It is. Well, all right then. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Morning, everybody on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook. Oh, look at us go. Oh, shit. How many thumbs up we got on YouTube? An 8, says Roy Rodriguez. Great, says Fletch. A 10, says Kirk Brown. Yeah, I'm only asking on YouTube. But it should be the exact same on TikTok and YouTube. I don't know. But let me know how it is on YouTube specifically. And now we have to do the unenviable thing of going on YouTube and see how many thumbs up you guys have given. Oh, shit. No, that's not going to work. There's over 40 of you watching on YouTube alone, and there's only 23 thumbs up on YouTube. That's not going to cut it. So we're going to go about 1 minute, and then I'm going to go ahead and cancel YouTube. You guys are going to get a 1 minute alarm. Hold on. Here, tell you what, I'll play the shitty sounding songs, one song, and then we'll call that. So at the end of this song, we will, you have 1 minute and 47 seconds. When you hear the end of this song, if there's not high, mid, low, something in the 30s, I'm not staying on YouTube. I'll stay on TikTok. Let's see if I can even get the song to play. I know it doesn't sound good. I apologize.
Tell them, yo, I trade anyone, toe to toe, let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Get SPF, you go and 30 low. You haven't got the block.
Good morning,
you haven't got the sniper. You haven't got the safety trade system. All you traders out there, step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded. Night out one, what's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pimps bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about? News, you make me laugh. We got it covered, red fold, yellow folder, don't matter. Let's go, it's over. Fake traders, this game over. It's over, it's over. You can never take from me what I knew today. I was forged in the dark. You fake traders better run from the bark in the park. We gon' take it, trend lines, and it show the pattern. Keep up and you make me laugh. You give my buck the before the whole way. So welcome to the winning top, baby. Safety trade system.
Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Mr. Gold. What's up, Mr. Gold? I think someone asked, or you asked a question in the Discord, no one answered. Sorry about that. I don't know what the question Sounds good to me. Yep, I agree with that.
If a Bitcoin was the size of a quarter, all 21 million of them would fit inside a single.
Shit. First of all, whoever the reject is trying to make false scarcity for Bitcoin, well, let me just hold on. There we go. All right, let me go over to here now. We hope to God it's more than 23 thumbs up. Let's see what we got. 30 now. Look at you. Holy fucking shit. 39 of you with thumbs up and only 36 watch. Okay, I'm staying. Good job. See, you guys can be motivated. It's kind of scary. Excellent job. Excellent job. Thank you guys very much. Now, Bitcoin. Let's switch over this little view thing to Bitcoin. Here we go. This is going to piss off more people. Watch this one go viral probably. My most watched video last year was 2,690 something. So about 3,000 people watched one of my videos. The average viewer age was like 34 to 54 or 64 or something. Watch this. Bitcoin, I'm going to put this in all caps. Remember when I type something out, Bitcoin is not scarce. Bitcoin is not a limited crypto. People are going to go, yes, it is. Let's hear it now. Who agrees with me? Agree or disagree? Go ahead. Sevens or yeses or agree. Nines or no or not agreeing. Okay. Okay. Do we have any answers? Let's see. Agreed. Agreed. By the system. Oh, thank you. Who said that? Thank you, Don't Cast Stones. Good morning, Don't Cast Stones. All right. Just going by your track record. No, nothing about Bitcoin, so I'll agree with you. So, Sam. Nice, Sam. All right. Well, Sam's, that's a good view on things, I guess. Sure. 100%. So no option for me. Mr. Gold said not 100%, so no options. Okay. Well, here it goes. Some of you, we've all heard that there's only so many Bitcoins that you could buy. Okay. We've all heard that, correct? Yes or no? We've all heard that there's only so many Bitcoin, right? After all the Bitcoins are mined, you can't have any more Bitcoin. So there's a scarcity to Bitcoin, right? Look, this alone says there's only 21 million. Look, this right here. Let's just have a nice little. There will ever only be 21. Oh shit, we're almost to fucking a market open. 21 million Bitcoin. So that sounds like it's a rarity. Like there's only so much gold, but then China finds double the supply, Africa finds double the supply. But you know, let's see what this one says now. How small can Bitcoin be cut into? Bitcoin can be cut into a maximum of 100 million smaller units, with the smallest unit officially called a Satoshi, which I thought it was Satoshi, but it's a sat. So 100 millionth of a whole Bitcoin. So you can have 100 million smaller units of Bitcoin by the creators, which they don't even know if that's a real creator's name. This is such a funny world we live in. So I don't know. How do I word this to you guys? There is no, if something is 100 million units deep per 21 million, by the way, one Bitcoin times 21 million times 100 million is how, there is no limit. And for virtual purposes, it's limitless. Because it's the silliest thing I've ever heard, people thinking that you can only have so many Bitcoin. When it's a digital asset, you can cut digital. It's not real. Gold is at least shiny. You can hold it in your hand. Bitcoin was made up by somebody we don't even know. It could be fucking aliens. Can you imagine? We don't even know who created Bitcoin. It's just a digital asset. There's no value to it whatsoever. It doesn't even have a use. They try to say it's like gold and Bitcoin's the gold of the crypto. No, it's fucking not. It was first and most widely accepted and got marketed the best. And that's why everyone owns Bitcoin. Is it any different than we were going over the fiat money? Oh, it's not this, and you're fighting the system and you're telling fuck you to the man for buying Bitcoin and they can't track it. Let me give you a hint that government can track anything. Oh shit, now let's go back over here. 3 minutes market open. Do not play market open. If you're going to play market open, oh geez, really? If you're going to play market open, don't. 30 seconds sell. We're still waiting on that 30-second sell. Hold on. Let me get over to 30. All right. Sell to the 30-second blue line, all indices, especially NAS. You're going to see it go down. There it is. And then you're going to see all of these 30-second ones right here turn red. Like that. Oh, they just did. And then that. Now, oh boy. Can you play these cells? You can. Let me see something. Sell to the 30-second blue line at open, but it's, I mean, I can't do a sell. So be patient or don't. I don't give, whatever you guys do. Rats, butts. Question, what if they're all bought the 21? Of course, you can buy 100 million of the shares. See, no, there's not 21 million total, Mr. Gold. I'm sorry. There's an unlimited supplies. You will get hurt if you play market open. Oh, yeah, you can get your ass handed to you. But anywho, there is the 30-second sell to the blue line, so I'm going to call that officially for market open. Then we have to be super patient because I do believe we were dealing with 12 hours over here. 12-hour buy stop. Yep, it's a 12-hour buy stop, but you can do the sells if you want. 12-hour daily buy stop, all indices. This is awesome. Market open in less than a minute.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Let's see what we shall see way down here. Yeah. So we just need to get to that 30-second. Once we get to that 30-second sell stop to the blue line is hit to the 1 minute. NQ1. Sell to the 30-second blue line, or be patient as a saint and wait for the 12-hour buy. But that's going to be a minute. All right. Market open in less than a minute. Let's see if we can get this little sell out of the way. You have to be very patient for this buy. You're going to be hours and hours into it. I think we can get this ES1 all the way down there. If not, we should be able to pull that off right there. Market open. Do not trade market open. Just be patient here. Hold on 1 second. There we go. All right. Let's see. Why is my computer lagging more than normal? Hello? Okay. Wow. Okay. That's not swell. What the fuck? Yo. What the fuck? Oh, great. Please say you guys are still all here. Oh, shit. I think TikTok's still working, but damn, we lost the fuck out of. Yo. Good morning, Jake. Maybe. Shit. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. Yep, we had touchdown to NQ1. Now, take any buy stops you guys can find. Hold on, let me move over to here. Let's move over to maybe, gosh, where can we get in at? One second. Yeah, there we go. 1 second buy. Where's it going to? 5 second? No, 15 second. Already hit it. 30 second. Already hit it. 1 minute. Damn, already hit the 1 minute too? Oh, there we go. Buy stop to the 2 minute blue line. You're going to have to be very patient with this, though. I'm telling you, be very patient. Don't rush anything. Take your time. If anything, look at that US 30. I know it's really hard to play US 30, but look at US 30 to the 3 minute blue line. Look at NAS to the 2 minute blue line. Take any buy stops between now and then. Oh, I lost my one screen. We are here. Oh, good. Morning, Jake. I don't know why my computer just froze for like a minute or two. Thank you, Jake, for everything you do. All right. Well, that was an easy market open. Let's do a couple more call outs over here. Matter of fact, I do want to, maybe if my computer will quit moving slower than molasses. All right, let's take a look. All right, some of you don't understand that Bitcoin's going to be going up again. Some of you don't understand that Ethereum and XRP are going to be going up again, and Litecoin's going to be going up again. So I'm going to do a quick teaching analysis here for you guys with Bitcoin. Weekly, 3 weekly buy stop Bitcoin. You're welcome, Jake. If you have my system, let's go ahead and make it both. On the left was without my system. Let me get that over to a weekly too. All right. And this is what trying to get it to approximately the same size so you can do it. All right. Now, on the left is without my system. Sometimes you guys get some really good training stuff in here, so you might want to pay attention to this. This is the retracement and retracement on the weekly and retracement on the weekly, retracement on the weekly. So you could see that with my system, if we mark each one of those retracements right here and right maybe Oh, come on, come on, come on. Are you kidding? Wow. I don't know why it's acting up this morning. Hold on a second. Can I even? Let me see something real quick. All right, the Bitcoin chart on the left is without any indicators or my system. It's just a standalone little thingamajigger. Whoa, see, I knew it. We lost it. I knew it. Hold on, let me reshare the video feed. Wow, I want to stay on in the... Yo, what the... Let's see. Oh boy. Come on, really? Oh, fuck. Why is it? I swear. No matter how many new computers, no matter how much money I throw at this shit. Let's see. Son of a beeswax. Well, YouTubers, I'm going to have to end it on YouTube. I'm going to stay on TikTok for a minute. I don't know if you guys can hear me on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live, all that good stuff, but I'm going to have to roll. All right. God bless. I don't... maybe I can keep it going. Hold on. Hold my horses. Okay, never mind. Ah. All right, now you guys will be able to see me again at least. Interesting. No, I don't know about that. Huh. Let's see. Yeah, no. Can you guys still hear me on YouTube? I think you can. And now, see, now what the hell is all that about? And now I think you can see, yeah, you can see, oh, okay, weird ass. All right, let's go over Bitcoin real quick. Quick little 5-minute, 10-minute little lesson. All right, I guess you guys can still hear me on, we lost about 20 people, shit. I hope you guys are still there on YouTube anyways, maybe not. TikTok, I believe you've always been there. All right, on the left, this is a chart with, this is a chart with nothing on it. It's a raw chart. It's how they start you trading. Bitcoin was the symbol, USD 1 week, Bitcoin USD 1 week. This is the different times it's done what it's done. Let me move this over here real quick. Yes, George still there. Okay, cool, George. Thank you, George. Okay. Why is it giving us such a hard time? No, might have to. Oh. John says, I can hear you, Cole. Thank you, John. All right. If I can ever get this to go right. All right. Where these little lines are, and you see the space in you can see the pink and purple down low while the blues say hi. This is now turned into a weekly. What it turned into is this thing over here. So let me show you. See, when the pink crossed the purple, the pink's going to cross the purple. It's going to go up. The last time it did it was back here in October of 2023. It's going to do it again now. And this is a weekly buy stop for Bitcoin. And you guys are getting all kinds of good information right here, demo trade only. But I'm teaching you how Bitcoin is not done going up. Okay, while it may be worthless and there is no true value to it, people have assigned a value to it. People believe in Bitcoin, and that's all you need to do to trade anything in this world. So by believing in it, there it is. This is a weekly buy stop, a weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. On the left, raw, without my system, then people panic when they see this. They can't trade it. They don't know what the fuck to do. So they started adding indicators. Tell me if this story sounds very familiar to all of you, because we all did it. We go ahead, we determine that, oh yeah, I'm going to do day trading, dumbest decision of our lives. And then we realize 93% of all day traders quit within the first 3 years. Ha da 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 da. Okay, and again, I don't know why my computer's all of a sudden, there's nothing new open. Interesting. Well, as it is, this is a buy. You're going to see price action. You're going to see, let's watch. This is what's going to happen. You're going to see the pink and purple line is going to cross that right there and come up. Then you're going to see this blue line come up just like this. And then you're going to see this green line. Well, it's going to turn red a little bit more. It's going to do this right here. And then it will start to hook and come back up like that there. And the orange line, I'm literally drawing out what it's going to do for you. It's going to come down like that. And then you're going to see take profits come into play on the red, yellow, and orange. And then the runner is going to be left open. And these are your take profits. Now, because you're dealing on the weekly, you can put your stop loss down wherever the pivot point is. That's your stop loss. And then you have your take profits here. So let's read off your take profits. Bitcoin, weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. Oh, Jesus. And if I can get my computer to move faster than a snail, I might be able to tell you where this is going to. All right. Here on TikTok. Nice, Adam. All right. Now let's see if we can somehow. What's funny is I know if I close down the restream that TikTok will still be working, but whatever. All right. So now we have, I think we lost the screen on, shit. Oh, come on, really? Every one of my button presses is about 30 seconds behind. Feels so good to be lifting again, but I can't bench worth a shit. Hello. Okay, this is getting out of hand at this point. All right, I guess I'm gonna have to run. I'm trying to help you all, but my computer is not feeling it. Well, okay. Oh, geez. Now all of that's what I mean. I'm gonna need other. I have more phones here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 Apple phones, iPhones being used. But I'm gonna need to pull out. I have one more over there. Yep, and then I have the other one, so I'm gonna have to get those out too. All right. Everybody on YouTube, I gotta run. It's just not working out. But God bless. Have a really good day. I doubt I'll be on again today, but you never know. Thank you all. God bless. Remember, life is short. Spend your time with the people you love and make great, great memories. Enjoy this life while you're here. All right. God bless, YouTubers.